Jack, talk about what it's like to run a deal team with our interns. What's that impact from your perspective?
Yeah, the internship program, I think, is really unique. I think of it as just another tool in the toolbox. You know, we talk about a holistic talent management strategy, but I just dumb it down as a bunch of tools in the toolbox. And we're always introducing new tools, as Khalida mentioned, with some of the new programs this summer. We've had the intern program kind of sporadically for the last 10, 15 years, and we really formalized it about 3 or 4 years ago. And what it does is, as Khalida said, it just opens up the top of the funnel. We can get to students earlier, sophomores, we can go to more campuses, reach more diverse candidates, more disciplines. You know, they are probably thinking about their major, they might not be accounting and finance, and we can just introduce who Vista is. What is private equity? What is software? What is investing? Because honestly, most households, most kids don't grow up in households talking about those concepts.
Right.
I know I didn't. You know, my family doesn't come from the industry. My dad and my brother are firemen, and we never talked about any of this. And yet, I still appreciate that, you know, the zip code I grew up in and the schools I went to, the scales were tipped in my favor, and yet I still had no idea what any of this was. So I think it's very important to extend that access. That's something that I think resonates. And then when they come on board, they do real work. And so, yes, it's a balance of having, you know, a college student on your deal team, but they do real work, and it's all about that training. And I think the investment we make in the training then gets reciprocated through retention. And I think David said, you know, last year, largest class ever, most diverse, gave out 9 offers, 9 acceptances, and I think they see, like, wow, they're really investing in me.